Hey there, welcome back to another Formulate With Me video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a conditioner using this new ingredient that I got from Making Cosmetics. It's called ice conditioner. So ice is pretty much instant cold emulsion, and it's pretty much a powder that you literally just add your water phase to and your oil phase to, and then all your active ingredients, and then you got yourself a conditioner. So it really beats the whole, melting down your waxes and butters, and it just makes it so much faster. So I thought that I would share with you guys. I really love the way that this conditioner feels and looks, and I'm really excited to add this to my collection. So I was actually making this for my King's Crown, the men's collection. So if you guys like these type of videos, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel and share this video for somebody. Tag down below and drop a purple heart if you make it all the way to the end. So I'm not going to do a long voiceover. It's pretty much self-explanatory, as you guys can see here in the video. You need to heat up your water phase. So with this, it's a lot different than what you would normally do, where you need to heat up the water phase and the oil phase. With using the ice instant emulsion, you should call it the powder. All you need to do is actually heat up your water phase, and then you add that water phase to the powder, and then you'll start to see that instant cold emulsion. So I'm going to just, let some music run in the background, let you guys see me work. You guys saw all the ingredients we used in the beginning, and let's just get into this video. So I'm using a xanthan gum clear. You guys can use other xanthan gum, but I love using the clear version because it makes like my gels and everything else come out clear rather than that cloudy, look that you can get from using xanthan gum. So, and another trick is whenever you're adding xanthan gum, I've seen a lot of lotion videos and other conditioner videos, never add the xanthan gum as a powder to whatever you're doing. You always want to hydrate your xanthan gums or any gums that you use with like glycerin. So that's what I'm doing here. And I actually let this set for 10 to 20 minutes after I mix it all up because it just helps hydrate the xanthan gum to the max. And then when you add it to whatever formulation you're making, it just makes it a lot easier. You won't get any clumps or lumps or anything like that. Just look at this. If you guys haven't used xanthan gum clear, definitely check it out. I have all what I use, everything down below. I got this at Lotion Crafters, I believe. Now I just checked the water phase to see how hot it was, and we're going to prepare our active ingredients here. So we're going to add some honeycomb, panthenol, and some hydrolyzed proteins to this conditioner just to help condition, add in some moisture, and strengthen our hair. The one thing about all of these active ingredients is you need to add this in your cool down phase, because if you add it while, it's hot, you will destabilize. Well, one, you can destabilize your emulsion, but also the active ingredients won't work. In here, I actually just had to change beakers because I didn't realize how much I was actually using for the conditioner. So that's why you see the bigger one, and I'm just pouring everything into that. I really love using this ice instant cold emulsion because it just makes it so much easier. You don't have to deal with butters and cutting it all down and all of that. It just really makes formulating, so much faster, and helps you, to clean up as well. So if you guys have been looking for other alternatives to making conditioners, or, not having to spend so much money on butters and do the whole melting it down with the alcohol and your emulsifiers and all that, then definitely check it out. So now I am preparing my oil phase so that after we emulsify both the water and the instant cold emulsion, we can add the oils to that. That's the difference, is you're not going to add it to the oil phase as you would normally when you heated down the butters. So after preparing all of the active ingredients, preservatives, oils, etc., we will take off the aloe vera juice and water from the heat, just heating it up, and then we will start adding the instant cold emulsion and emulsifying it to prepare the cream, the conditioner. The one thing about formulating and making, conditioners, lotions, creams, and conditioners and deep conditioners, honestly, to be honest, they're all the same. It's all the same. Once you can figure out how to emulsify, and I just did this because I was like, let's try something, but actually for my leave-in cream, I actually have to also, melt down my butters and add waxes and all of that. So definitely if you are needing to do that, make sure that you learn. Once you figure out how to emulsify, it makes making conditioners and creams and lotions so much easier. Now that you got a pretty creamy base, it's time to add in the thickener. So I'm just adding in the xanthan gum and the glycerin. As you can see, it just pours out so much easier, and it really makes emulsifying your formulation so much better than just trying to pour powdered xanthan gum into an emulsion or a formulation. Now I'm just gonna let the rest of the video play out. Pretty much from here, all you do is add the rest of your phases. So add the oil phase, active ingredients, and then you're just gonna mix it up a little bit more. I actually had to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for, a little bit of time so that we could bring the temperature down and get it to thicken up so that we can add the preservative and all of the scents and essential oils. So pretty much from here, it's self-explanatory. You would do the same exact thing as you would if you were making a cream or a conditioner. Just mix it all up. As it's cooling down, you want to make sure that the temperature is right, depending on what active ingredients you're using, to make sure that before you add them to this emulsion, that it's at the correct temperature so that the emulsion isn't too hot, so that if you add it, it won't break down or destabilize your cream or your conditioner. So that's what I'm doing here. You guys will see it's thickened up, and we're just going to finish up this video and package up the rest of the product. Enjoy. So we made it all the way to the end. I just split the conditioner here because I'm making 2 products. So I just split it so that I could fragrance the one and get that bottled up for my Royalty Curls hair care line, and saving the other for another product that I'm making. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it helped you if you are new to formulating and you're just trying to figure out the works. I would definitely recommend starting with this if you are a beginner, because it's going to definitely take out the whole cutting down butters, figuring out the oil to water ratio and all of that. You guys can see here as I bottle it up, which, by the way, I had to do the old way because my machine that I used to package up all my products broke somehow. So we are trying to repair that or get a new one. So you guys will see me try to go back old school style of, packaging up my conditioners with the funnel and the bottles. So I hope that this video again helped you guys out. If it did, make sure that you guys like and subscribe and drop a purple heart down below in the comments so I know that you guys made it to the end. Also, check out my line, royaltycurls.com, and support your girl. Thank you guys so much for following, supporting, and purchasing my hair care line. It really means the world, and I'm so excited to where Royalty Curls is going. We got big goals this year, and we are working towards, getting our products into stores. So I really hope that, you guys, my audience, my customers, my clients, everybody can help make that dream come true. But we'll definitely see you guys in store soon. Make sure you guys check out the line. Again, use code Lionessa for some savings. And make sure you guys check out all the links down below, the Boss Queen playlist, the Formulate With Me playlist, where you guys can see more videos like this, where I show you guys how to make more hair care products. And I promise more Formulate With Me content is coming. I actually have a whole nother video that I started editing. These type of videos take so much more time and energy to, edit and prepare. So excuse me if it's been some time. But again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching, and bye.